The upcoming Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated releases in the action camera market, and excitement is building fast. Early reports and leaks suggest that this camera will push the limits of what we expect from compact, high-performance devices. Positioned firmly as a premium flagship, the Ace Pro 3 is expected to come with a price tag between $549 and $599, placing it at the higher end of the action camera spectrum. However, the cost appears justified given Insta360's renewed partnership with Leica, a collaboration that continues to elevate the brand's reputation for professional-grade imaging. This partnership with Leica, first established in 2020 and renewed officially in early 2025, hints that the new camera will feature Leica-tuned optics and advanced color science that enhances image clarity and dynamic range. Leica's involvement almost guarantees cinematic quality, refined tonal accuracy, and crisp detail, all of which cater to creators who demand more than just standard action cam performance. Even though Insta360 hasn't officially confirmed the Ace Pro 3, the growing number of leaks and industry discussions strongly suggest that it will be the natural successor to the Ace Pro 2, which made waves upon its release in October 2024. The Ace Pro 2 set a high bar, boasting impressive 8K recording and a lens co-engineered with Leica, making it one of the few true flagship contenders in its category. With the Ace Pro 3, Insta360 seems determined to go even further. Reports indicate that it could feature a powerful 1-inch, 50-megapixel Leica-tuned CMOS sensor, capable of delivering incredible detail and low-light performance. Video capabilities are expected to include 8K recording at 30 frames per second, complete with HDR and log profile support for color grading flexibility, along with 4K video at up to 120 frames per second in 10-bit color depth for smooth, high-quality slow motion. For creators who love cinematic slow-mo sequences, the rumored high frame rate 1080p mode will be a welcome addition. Beyond raw specs, Insta360 seems to be focusing on improving the user experience and usability. Sources suggest upgraded FlowState stabilization technology that will further refine motion smoothing, making even handheld or high-impact footage look professionally stabilized. The AI-powered editing tools are expected to be smarter, faster, and more intuitive, potentially saving creators hours in post-production. There are also strong hints of improved low-light imaging, better audio capture with enhanced onboard microphones, and a more durable modular design that gives users flexibility to adapt to different shooting conditions. Battery life is rumored to be significantly better, with faster charging times to ensure minimal downtime during long shoots. If all these upgrades materialize, the Ace Pro 3 could redefine what a premium action camera looks and feels like. It's not just about adding features, it's about refining the entire shooting experience. That's what could justify its higher price and cement Insta360's place at the top of the market. Despite being over a year old, the Ace Pro 2 continues to be one of the most respected models in its class. Thanks to recent price drops to around $354, it still offers incredible value for users who don't necessarily need the latest specs, but want professional performance. This ongoing popularity may be one of the reasons why Insta360 appears to be taking its time with the Ace Pro 3. Originally, industry watchers expected the Ace Pro 3 to debut in late 2025, following Insta360's usual annual release pattern. However, new information indicates that the company might be delaying the launch until mid to late 2026, possibly in the second or third quarter. The main reason behind this shift seems strategic. Insta360 wants to extend the life cycle of the Ace Pro 2 and capitalize on its continued success. Rather than rushing into a replacement, the brand has been introducing new additions and bundles, like the Ace Pro 2 Super Motocross Edition and creator-focused accessory kits, released in late 2025. This approach keeps the model fresh and relevant, while allowing Insta360 to expand its market through accessories and software improvements. This strategy also makes sense given the current competitive landscape. DJI, one of Insta360's biggest rivals, released the Osmo Action 6 in November 2025, featuring a large 1x1.1-inch square sensor and an adjustable aperture from f/2.0 to f/4.0. On paper, that's impressive hardware, but DJI surprisingly limited the camera to 4K recording despite having 8K capable internals. This decision means that, as of now, No major brand offers a true next-generation 8K traditional action camera that gives Insta360 a comfortable advantage. It can take the time to perfect the Ace Pro 3 without worrying about being overtaken by the competition. If Insta360 uses this delay wisely, the final product could be nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine an action camera with the cinematic sharpness of a Leica lens, the stabilization of a gimbal, and the flexibility of AI-assisted editing, all packed into a device small enough to mount on a helmet or drone. The company has been steadily blurring the line between action cameras and professional film tools, and the Ace Pro 3 seems like the next big leap in that evolution. Beyond hardware, Insta360's focus on creator experience has been another key differentiator. The brand's software ecosystem continues to expand, offering seamless integration between mobile and desktop editing tools, cloud storage, and advanced AI effects. If the rumored improvements in AI tools for the Ace Pro 3 are accurate, creators could expect automated reframing, advanced tracking, and scene-aware editing that transforms raw footage into polished videos almost instantly. Combined with improved waterproofing and rugged construction, this could make the Ace Pro 3 a dream tool for travel vloggers, athletes, and professional filmmakers alike. In the broader context, the Ace Pro 3's rumored delay might actually benefit Insta360 in the long run. With no direct 8K competition in the traditional action camera category, the company can fine-tune its imaging pipeline, sensor performance, and firmware before unveiling a truly dominant product. When it finally arrives, likely in mid to late 2026, it could not only outperform the competition, but also reshape expectations for what a compact camera can achieve. At this point, fans and professionals alike are eagerly watching for official confirmation. Insta360 has mastered the art of generating buzz through strategic leaks and slow teases, and the Ace Pro 3 seems to be following that same playbook. The combination of Leica engineering, cutting-edge video performance, and AI-driven innovation makes it one of the most exciting upcoming releases in the imaging world. Whether you're a seasoned creator or a casual adventurer, this camera promises to bring professional-level tools into the palm of your hand. And if the rumors are accurate, it could very well be the defining action camera of 2026.